how you doing? Josh here. I'm going to be making some chicken, easy baked chicken recipe from a lady named Jessica Gavin on YouTube. Really simple. I was going to make some buffalo chicken actually. I'd gotten the sauce for it, but I didn't get milk. So I was going to make wings with chicken legs. I don't know, I've been craving wings lately. But, you know, I didn't get milk and I didn't really think about it when I was at the store. So I decided to do something easier. I got the chicken legs right. What I started was with an herb and spice marinade of this Vigo imported olive oil. It's very fancy that I got from Walmart. It's imported, which means it's fancy. Working with garlic powder and onion powder and paprika and Italian seasoning. And of course, my good faithful salt and pepper. You want to mix that together so you can have a nice little blend like we have here. Mix it in all nice and where you can see how it's moving around. I have the oven set for 425 degrees to follow the recipe. And we're looking for 170 degree, 175 temp on this chicken where they start meat legs. I got my little thermometer here that you can get. And tonight's food is being brought to you by Giavelli Frothy Cappuccino from Keurig. Boy, that sure is good when you add that milk powder to it. Please don't tell any of my guy friends you saw me drinking cappuccino. Giavelli Frothy Cappuccino, if you don't mind. So anyways, let's get started. Thank you. I have the chicken legs in here that I'm rotating around in that mixture and letting them soak. These good herbs and seasonings. All right, so I got my pan out and I poured my olive oil down so the chicken will not stick, and I'm going to lay them out separate from each other and let these cook. We're good and preheated, and you know me, I like mine saucy. Oh yeah, saucy's the way to go when you're cooking with Josh. Let's just go ahead and pour that extra on there like that. Dribble it up real nice, you know. Want not, waste not. That's the way I look at it. So you see how our chicken looks now, all right? You see our chicken, how it's looking now? We're ready to go into the oven. Make sure you wash your dishes. So our oven's nice and hot, the way ovens are supposed to be. I'm gonna open it up and put this chicken in for a good 25 minutes. And then I'm gonna flip it. So we're cooking, we're going. And we'll enjoy some dinner. Thank you for watching. Just me cooking chicken because I'm bored and, you know, hungry and tired of eating sandwiches and Cheerios. All right, so it's been cooking a while. Look at that chicken. It's time to flip it. Chicken right here, baby. Yeah. All right, check it out. We're gonna flip this over. Flipping that chicken over and go another 10 minutes.
I'm the lobster hen. Waka 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 waka. The lobster man.
10 minutes later. This is sizzling. I used a lot of sauce. Look at there. Let's check our temp. Looky there. Bring it out of the oven. Let's cover for about 10 minutes and see what happens. All right, check out our chicken right there. We'll set our chicken out there. I'm complimenting this chicken with a Greek herb salad with bacon bits. So I'm excited. It's a Greek herb salad with bacon bits. Add a little sauce to our chicken. And we're good to go. There you go, my friends. Pretty simple, easy dinner. Bon appetit. Don't forget your napkin. Seriously. Look how good that chicken is. Yummy. It was so good, I went back for seconds. Good. Well, I'm watching the roast of Tom Brady again on Netflix. I was cooking, I just wanted somebody to concentrate on. It's very good, one of my best. Mm. I like the Wizard of Oz. Well, I hope you enjoyed my dinner. It's going to be better than another sandwich and Cheerios. But I probably will have a little Debbie too. Peace, love, and prosper. We should start doing that as a society. Make it a thing. Have a good day. And remember, God loves you. And so do I. Unless you're mean. And then I probably don't. Have a good day.